Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. All right, it is time to unbox the next day of the advent calendar from Baddies and Budgets. Santa checked, I'm still that baddie. Here we go, let's hop right into it. So today we are unboxing day 3. I cannot believe it is 3 days till Christmas, you guys. I am so excited. Okay, day 3. 1 second, let's open this up. All right, you guys, day 3. What's in there? Any guesses? Oh my goodness, it says binder goodies. That's exciting. Binder goodies. All right, let's open this up. Okay, so this says binder accessories, Baddies and Budget. So what's included? A pearl keychain with a bow. Okay, a pearl keychain. Okay, an A6 fluted dashboard, an A6 matte dashboard. Okay, a custom pen, an A6 3-slot envelope, binder cards, 3 of them, an enamel pen clip, I'm assuming that's this, and then binder cards that are matted, and a binder chain, which is probably this. Okay, you guys, so, and then it just says baddiesandbudgets.com. Again, make sure you check out her website, you guys. It is baddiesandbudgets.com/fun, F-U-N, and see if there's anything you're interested in. So these come out, okay, and they've got plastic on them. And these say, it's a good day to have a good day, attracting abundance, wealthy woman, and each have like the Baddies and Budgets logo on it. And it says Baddies and Budgets on the back. All right. And I'm not going to fully open this, you guys, because I'm kind of in a rush. So I am going to fully open it later. This says intentionally rich. And this is the acrylic. Oh, okay. It has plastic that comes off. And I wonder if these are 2 separate things or if they go together, maybe. I don't know, but I'll probably use them together, kind of like that. And then, ooh, a pen. Y'all know I love me a good pen now. And this says Baddies and Budgets. It's a heavy pen, you guys. It's got like some weight on it, which is kind of nice. It's comfortable. I'm sure it'll write well. Let's see. Yeah, you guys, it writes pretty nice. I like it. All right, and so the pearl keychains, these are pretty self-explanatory. Now, let's see what this binder chain is, because I barely buy chains for myself to wear, let alone for my binder to wear. Oh, this is cute. I love the little lips on it, and it says Baddie across. That's super cute. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's super cute, and it clips on each side. And then this guy, oh, this is pretty. It's just like a paper clip. It says intentionally rich on it. This is super cute. Hopefully I don't break this. This is adorable. And let's take a peek at these guys. Oh, these are cute. They're like little reminder slips or little checklists. So this is like a payday routine and you list all your things and you can check them off. She's got a monthly routine, a quarterly routine, reminders, personal, and investments. This is super cute. I love these. And then she's got like this cute little bag for everything to be stored in. I love this. So that is what was in day 3, you guys. Of course, you know, I'm going to try to get a thumbnail. So bear with me. Let me go ahead and open this one. But I'll probably take the time to take the plastic off of the little dashboard cards at a later time. There we go. So these are super cute. Let's see if I can get me... You know what? I think I'm just going to do the thumbnail with the box. Like, I'm not even going to worry about trying to get one like this. So let me grab all my goodies and then get the box and then do a thumbnail like that. So make sure you guys stay tuned for day 2. So let me know, you guys, it has the days been what you expected? Have you been happily surprised by what has been in each day's box thus far? Do this. I'll put this over here. Let's keep it all on one side. Let's do that. And then we'll kind of try to spread those out, and we'll stick this up here, and then we'll have chain and a chain and a pen and the chain that says Baddie on it, and that will make a good thumbnail. And then we're just going to stick all of these back in our goodie bag for later. All right, you guys, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.